I'll bet there's all sorts of good things running wild in this country. I'd give a lot for half a dozen taters."
"Smeagol won't go. Oh, no, precious, not this time," hissed Gollum. "He's frightened, and he's very tired, and this hobbit's not nice at all. Smeagol won't grub for roots and carrots and taters. What's taters, precious, eh? What's taters?"
"Potatoes," said Sam. "The gaffer's delight, and rare good ballast for an empty belly. But you won't find any, so you needn't look. But be good, Smeagol, and fetch me the herbs, and I'll think better of you. What's more, if you turn over a new leaf, and keep it turned, I'll cook you some taters one of these days, I will. Fried fish and chips served by S. Gamgee. You couldn't say no to that."
Yes, we could. Spoiling nice fish, scorching it. Give me fish now, and keep nasty chips.
Oh, you're hopeless.